Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Kana, and right now I'm at the docks in Nachiwogo. The place is called Nachiwogo in Kishoro, and we are going to be boarding. I am still waiting. I'm going to be boarding at 2, but right now it's let me see, it's 1:21, right? So yeah, this is the place. Everybody's seated. Yeah, so this boat that I'm going to be using is called Vanessa. I'm going to get a place where I can show you the boat that I'm going to be using. It's like a speedboat. So you're going to be using that one, which is a little bit pricey, but then there is another one that is moderate, and it is the ferry. So that's nice and cool. Yeah, it's going to be my first time being on the water like that. You know, the journey is 1 hour 30 minutes, so it's going to be interesting. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. If I think it's going to be more interesting than that time that I got on an airplane. So yeah, wish me luck people, wish me luck. So guys, this is my boat which I'm going to be using, called Vanessa. You cannot see the name, but all in all it is that. And over there in the distance there is the ferry. People are waiting, and the ones who are going to use the ferry, as you can see, some cars are on the other side. They are also going. I cannot go that far because they do not allow cameras, but all in all everybody is like excited and ready. Yes. Alright guys, so right now I need to leave a little bit because I did not I need to buy something. So I left something important at home and I need to buy it now so that I can go with it, you know. But all in all, we need to get it right now, because if I don't get it now, that boat is about to leave. So let us hurry up. But here it is. If you guys remember, the ones who have been here since the beginning, you remember that captain that I was talking to. Yeah, this is where I talked to him at, and hopefully I get to see him again, which I have not even like seen the captain, but I have indeed met the captain of Vanessa, the boat that I am going to be using. So I met him and he is such a nice guy, family friend, so shout out to him. Yeah, he's handling my travels and everything, which makes me like a little more safe, you know, because he knows us, he knows the family. Yeah, but hopefully guys, we don't get to the point of drowning and having to balance that boat. I am not a good swimmer, so good luck to me. All right, let me go first get something and then I'll get back to you. Love you guys. These are the grounds people are getting in. These are the grounds of the docking place. Yep. And guys, I'm done getting what I forgot at home. And I asked myself, did I bring this? And I never checked because I didn't want to open up my bag again, but I had indeed forgotten it all. But all in all, right now it's 1:31 and we are supposed to be leaving at 2 exactly. So we need to hurry up. I want to leave so that I can get this journey over with, because I'm starving, you guys. But I don't want to eat because I'm afraid like I will puke, you know. So we are going to go and try to get everything done. Wow, and it's so hot. But I think this is also the good time to be traveling, because we need to travel as it is hot. I was actually afraid that we'll be traveling in a windy day, because in the morning it was much colder and very windy. So God bless Uganda, because it's beautiful and the times are always changing, which is so nice. Yeah, So guys, as you can see in the background, people are arriving, and I think those ones are also going to like be building Vanessa as well. And I'm still tired. We're going. Okay. All right. People are also boarding here in this area. I think those ones who are going to be like going on the boat, and they are school children. I don't know where they are going, but all in all, I guess we are going in the same area. Guys, this is my boat on the sides. Yeah, MV Vanessa. That is what I'm going to be using. Oh my god, I can't wait, but it's nice. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. At least I'm not going on these ones, because then I would really be so scared. It's crazy. I love the water. For those of you who know, I love the water, but I cannot stand being on the water, and I have wanted and I have hoped to take this trip for the longest time, but because of me fearing the water so much, I swear I could not take it. And so many times I have called, I have made reservations, I've made everything, and to reach to that moment of like having to go, I get scared and I tap out, you know. So it's crazy, but all in all, yeah, this is it. And the water is so calm. Do you see? You can't even see any waves. I can't wait to see Kalangala, because I even have like some relatives. Oh, look at the plane in the distance. I don't know if you see it. Yep. And the weather is so nice. The sky is blue. So everything is working out. Yeah, real good. So guys, this is the booking area and the waiting area all in one. Everybody is waiting up. Oh, I can't wait to also board for my own ride as well. So definitely looking forward to it.
Don't fly away.
I know. Guys, I'm going. We're boarding. Oh, I can't. Now my heart is beating. Oh my god, like, wish me luck, because Mama Tina, if I don't get back, just know it was all worth it. No, for real guys, I can't stand this. This is the place, this is the boat. Let's get in. Oh, I can sit anywhere I want. Can I? Is it allowed? Yeah. I wonder where my bag is. Excuse me. Excuse me. Guys, as usual, I got the window seat, so yeah, wish me luck. Wish me luck, for real. Hello. This is MV Vanessa. Alright. Calm down my heart. Hello. How are you? You're fine?
Fine.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
He's like, hi, mommy. What's your name? What's your name?
Sweetie.
Sweetie.
Sweetie Savannah.
Guys, it's moving. I can feel it. And I got a partner in crime. Yeah. Oh, he's so cute. I love babies.
Hey,
For real,
James.
we are moving. I don't know if you can hear the Okay, this is the place. Oh, there is even a camera. I did not know. The thing is, life jackets. Should I wear mine? I think I should. Guys, we are literally in a boat right now.
Um,
Okay, guys, we are moving. We are moving. Bye bye land. Oh my goodness. Water is not my thing. Water is really not my thing. I swear.
All trying to be confident.
Wow. I think this is.
It's okay. I'm going to take a music thing.
Oh my goodness, guys, this is my travel mate. Say hi. Oh, we are going to vibe. You know, this happens. For real, this happens.
Once in a lifetime moment.
Yeah. You're going for a vacation as well?
Work and yeah, a bit of that.
Both work and pleasure. Me too. Work and pleasure.
Yes.
Guys,
Once.
we live once. You're right. We live once.
Yes.
Oh wow, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like guys, I wish you could see right now. Let me show you.
people on phones, kindly first hang up.
Abali kusimu mpeyo dakiika. You most welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Vanessa, I'm taking you to your safety group and show you how to wear a life jacket. Everyone has a life jacket in your overhead bin. You wear it over your head. Attached to these long loops, I have to slip your arm through, then tie them around your body and then tighten them in front.
Okay.
Shorter loops in the middle that you have also tightened. Make sure you make a bow in this section.
Okay.
They are lighters on both sides, are reflecting water in case of any unlikely emergency. To my right is an emergency exit door that enables us to evacuate in case a need arises. We use the door you came in through and the emergency exit door. An auto-inflatable life raft at the top deck which accommodates all the passengers in case we need to evacuate the main vessel. Fire extinguishers at the front and the back side of the vessel which caters for any emergencies or fire outbreaks. Strictly no smoking on board. Life rings at the outside deck which caters for any emergencies of a man overboard. Lavatories catered at the extreme end on my left hand side has a dark button on your left hand side that is while flashing. Kindly refrain from flashing any other tissues apart from toilet paper. If you have any other disposable tissue, kindly put it to the bin. It is next at the Shahaba Stokovan, Kalangala inside has the boat off, then on passengers. Then we proceed with our journey to Kalangala. Enjoy your journey.
Thank you. Alright guys, that was a very much needed briefing because not all of us know how to put on a life jacket. And we are moving. We are officially moving. Still, wish me luck. Pray for your girl. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'm trying to wear this. I'm already doing it badly. Can you imagine? Where? Okay. Alright. Loops. Where are the loops? Am I doing it right? Okay. Then here as well, make a ball. Done. Guys, now we are really moving. This is definitely the Fast and Furious. I have found out that people can go out on the deck, so we are going to try to maneuver that. So wish me luck as I get up, because I can barely feel my legs, you know. Whew. My heart is not hurting. Oh, I feel so bad. But let's go see the outside. All right. People are out here like enjoying. Oh Jesus Christ! I sorry, I could not overpass that. Woo. No, we can't get up. We can't. I really cannot get up. I'm literally on the ground. And oh, that's right. I can't get up. Oh, I cannot. This is crazy, but I really cannot get up. Oh my God, I think I need to go back. How are people like up and about? Guys, people are literally standing on this thing, and I cannot get up. Let's try. Oh. All right, I need to get to the other side. I'm so bad at this. I'm holding on to this though for dear life. Woo. Gosh. Okay, let's do this. I'm brave, you know? Okay, okay, we can move. All right, we made it. Guys, I made it. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Oh, look at that. Wow. I need to be careful with my phone. It's very windy. my god! Oh, thank you very much. That almost did not leave me alive. Hey. Alright. Excuse me. How are you? Sorry. How are you? Yeah. Excuse me. Sorry.
You could do it backwards. Some of them are not.
Guys. It's not easy. It's not. I just can't tell you it's easy. I'm done. I'm done. Until further notice. Yeah. But I'll let you know when I get to the fair. Guys, this is an island and we are going to be dropping off some people because we have not yet arrived at Kalangala, so but we are doing a quick stop to drop off 25 minutes off some people. But this is beautiful. I don't know if you see what I'm seeing, but this is splendid. This is what they mean when they say the Pearl of Africa, because when in the morning this was the sky was cloudy, but right now it's so sunny, it's beautiful, makes me want to go to the beach, makes me want to hit the waters and swim and look at the birds. It's also pretty. It's as if I'm in a movie. Oh, it's beautiful. And all the way there. Nice. Guys, do you see this? Oh, they are fishermen in the area. Wow. Beautiful. These are the people we are dropping off first, and this is the island where we are dropping them off at. The water is green. This water, when the water is this green, when you get into it, it itches. Yeah, so if the water is ever this green, never get into it. It really itches your skin. Beautiful. Guys, we are leaving the island and back to our trek. Yep, we are moving on to really go to Kalangala now. No more pit stops. We are leaving the island. Say bye bye. Ladies and gentlemen, we have survived the trip and right now we are getting to Kalangala. We are about to dock. Is it called docking? I don't know. But all in all, we are about to arrive. Like in 5 minutes. Yes, and I have survived. It was not as bad as the plane was, so that's good, but I'm already fed up. Yes, that's all I can say. I'm already fed up. Oh, I can't wait to be off this boat. Yeah, I can't wait. But I love that I took the risk and the trip. It's going to be a very, very beautiful weekend. So stay tuned and keep on watching. Guys, we have arrived at Kalangala. You see everything, it's beautiful. There are so many resorts, beaches and everything that an island has. We are about to reach. Do you see that? It's beautiful. Enjoy the view. Guys, we have arrived at Kalangala. You see everything, it's beautiful. There are so many resorts, beaches and everything that an island has. We are about to reach. Do you see that? It's beautiful. Enjoy the view. I give you Kalangala. It's so beautiful. I am so glad that I came. Guys, we are here. Oh my god, I love it. It's so beautiful. Kalangala is totally and absolutely beautiful, as you are going to see, and as you have seen already. It is so pretty and I cannot wait to see everything. It's like out of this world. It's like a vacation place. It's like beautiful. Like I don't have words. I don't have words. As a person who loves the water, this is perfect. I want to come to Kalangala as well. I want to live here. Finally, we are here. Oh. These men are helping to pull the boat in. So cool. Do you see? Well, I'm done with that. Totally and completely done.